In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a document from Grammarly to Microsoft Word in the .docx format. This process is simple and straightforward, ensuring that your meticulously edited document can smoothly transition from Grammarly to Word, keeping all your corrections and enhancements intact. Let's begin by focusing on the initial step, opening the document in Grammarly's editor. If you haven't already uploaded your document, go ahead and do so using your browser. You can do this by navigating to the Grammarly website, where you'll find the option to either start a new document or upload an existing one. Simply click the Upload button and select your document. This will allow you to access all the powerful editing features Grammarly offers right from their platform. Once you're settled in the editor with your document open, the next move is to look for the menu icon. It's the three horizontal lines, sometimes referred to as the hamburger menu, located in the upper left corner of the editor. Clicking this icon will reveal a drop-down with several options. Among these, you'll find one labeled Download. Select this option. An interesting point to note here is that if you originally uploaded a document in the docx format, Grammarly's system is designed to export it back to you as a docx file. This is particularly convenient because it ensures that your formatting and structure are maintained when you download it for further use. After selecting Download, your document will be ready to save onto your computer. It's a good idea to choose a location that's easy for you to remember, perhaps a specific folder designated for your writing projects or your desktop for quick access. Once saved, your document is now in the .docx format, ready to be opened in Microsoft Word or any compatible word processor. With your document safely downloaded and saved, go ahead and open it in Microsoft Word. This is where you can continue with any additional edits you may need or prepare your document for submission, sharing, or printing. If you're using another word processor that supports .docx files, the process remains the same. Simply open the file and continue your work seamlessly. And there you have it. You've successfully exported your document from Grammarly to Microsoft Word. By following these steps, you can easily transfer your polished content from one platform to another with confidence, knowing that your hard work remains intact. Thank you for watching, and happy writing.